India's Gen Z cockroaches are protesting in New Delhi. The founder of Cockroach Janata Party, Abhijit Dipke, returned to India from the US on Saturday morning, weeks after he launched the online satirical platform. It was initially a response to remarks made by the Chief Justice, who referred to India's unemployed youth as cockroaches.
This is a flyer by Cockroach Janata Party, the so-called party. It's not a political party, mind you. It's a youth satire platform for the youth and by the youth. Now in here they have asked for the resignation of the Education Minister of India, Dharmendra Pradhan. They are also highlighting the irregularities in the medical entrance exams, the national level exams that have happened over the last 2 months, and also highlighting the failed marking system for a lot of the youth of this country who are now suffering. We also hear some reports of suicides amongst kids because of these developments. Now, as the day is progressing, we see a lot of the youth gathering here. Some have even come with their parents.
It's about time we own it and come to the streets to show that in fact, no, we're not lazy. We're here. We're actually demanding for change.
We've done bad. I mean, look at us. We've chosen leaders who are drowning us today. So I really have a lot of hope from Gen Z because I think we were brought up to not ask questions. We were brought up to surrender to what the society sees as right. These kids are not like that. They're not afraid. And I am so positive that they'll bring the change the world deserves.
The Cockroach Janata Party struck a chord with Gen Z followers over issues of youth unemployment and recurring leaks of examination papers, which derail career prospects for millions of students across India. Government officials have referred to the group as the anti-national gang and accused them of seeking followers from rival Pakistan.
This movement should be kind of a leader for the Gen Z of the entire world, that a peaceful revolution is possible and the government will listen to you. And you will reclaim your nation, you will reclaim your rights in a peaceful way.
Similar protests in Nepal and Bangladesh toppled governments in 2025. However, Gen Z protesters in India say their movement will use peaceful means to change the country's political discourse.
So when Cockroach Janata Party was launched online, it became an overnight sensation, gathering over 22 million followers online. And a lot of people, especially Gen Z, started speaking out, started expressing their dissent online. But the real question is whether this movement online will translate into some action on the ground. Right now, we see about a few hundred odd supporters who have come here in this protest. But the real question is whether this has the potential to become a nationwide movement led by the Gen Z and really become an agent of change.